Hi, it's Brian Decker with your Market Minute. I want to talk to you about a couple of topics that are happening this week. One is cryptocurrency oversight by the SEC. I find this interesting because Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, a lot of the big brokerage firms, UBS, Merrill, are not allowing trading in cryptos. So prepare to see some headlines this week about crypto regulation as SEC Chairman Gary Gensler goes in front of the Senate Banking Committee today for a grilling. Lawmakers are expected to show frustration over the lack of supervision in the cryptocurrency markets and why it's taken so long to support them. He might also have to explain why the SEC seems averse to approving various crypto assets like Bitcoin ETFs, as well as stablecoins and other digital assets. In recent weeks, Gensler seemed to be more vocal about regulation, calling the cryptocurrency market the, quote, Wild West. He says it's rife with fraud, scams, and abuse in certain applications. And he said, if we don't address these issues, I worry a lot of people will get hurt, unquote. The SEC chairman said in a speech at the Aspen Security Forum that he's also calling for Congress to magnify the SEC's power in order to be effective at managing the $2 trillion currency market. We just don't have enough investor protection in crypto finance, issuing, trading, or lending, Gensler said in his prepared testimony. And then he said this morning, frankly, at this time, it's more like the old world of buyer beware that existed before the security laws were enacted. We can do better, he said, unquote. The SEC is also working with the CFTC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, Federal Reserve, Department of Treasury, the Office of Comptroller of the Currency with respect to investor protection in the currency markets. We at Decker had a chance and still have a chance to trade two-sided strategies in the crypto markets. We've not gone forward with it because it's any country does, most all countries in the world right now don't want to have a competing currency to their country's currency. China and India both said that they're not going to allow cryptocurrencies in their country. China has created their own digital currency. I expect India will too. So that's a quick update. Next week we'll dive in detail about some of the changes at Decker that we're offering support in new areas for tax minimization strategies. So I'm excited to share that with you next week.